what's up guys? Welcome back to another unboxing here at TechNave.com. Today we have a very interesting phone with us today. This is the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. Okay, so this smartphone, I think you might already know, has an interesting pop-up mechanism for its selfie camera so that it has a larger screen to body ratio. Okay, so I really like this box. Usually most phones have, the rectangle just box and you just feel like, oh cool, I got a phone. That's it, phone shaped box. But no, Mi Mix 3 actually came with a really sleek looking black box. I actually really like it. Really cool gold color logo on the top. And just so you guys know, this particular smartphone is the Mi Mix 3 in Onyx Black, 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Alright, let's unbox this. Wow, okay, take off and you immediately see the phone, which is really nice. This is the Mi Mix 3 6.39-inch full screen display, flagship rear dual camera, front dual cameras with selfie light as well, and colored ceramic design, four-sided curved ceramic body. So the body is actually made from ceramic. Okay, so this is the really interesting thing about the phone. You know what? Let's wait a little bit. Let's take a look what else is inside the box right here. Get off. And we have, oh wow, on the road to exploration, we will constantly invest, constantly strive, and constantly break through. We are willing to devote an additional 100% even if we only improve by 1%. Be friends with our users, be the coolest company in the hearts of our users, Legion. Oh, this is so cool. Whoa, okay. This is a wireless charger. It came with the phone, and we all know this one particular brand of overpriced smartphone didn't even come with this. We have the power adapter as well as a USB Type-C cable here. What else is in here? Is that it? Oh, no, it's not. And then here we have the USB Type-C to 3.5mm jack. We have the SIM pin as well as oh, this one is different. It's actually a hardcover case for the phone. I really like this. Usually we get this, the see-through transparent plastic one. This one's pretty sturdy. And you also have your guides. And what else is in here? All right, so what makes this phone very interesting is, of course, that. Can I see again? But I'm really interested to see how well this phone does. And of course, the best part of any unboxing. Oh yeah. This is actually really glossy. Kind of doesn't really track fingerprints that much. Not bad. Just for your information, this smartphone is powered by the Snapdragon 845 with a 3200 milliamp battery capacity. Alright, so we have it on. Ooh, the screen is really nice. This is a Super AMOLED display, 6.39 inches. Swipe to unlock. Let's turn on battery saver because it's quite low. I really like how clean and smooth this interface looks. That is not the main feature. The main feature of this phone is, of course, the camera. I'm really interested to see. Alright, just so you guys know, the rear camera is 12 megapixels and 12 megapixels. 12 megapixels wide and 12 megapixels telephoto. And the selfie camera is actually 24 megapixels as the main camera. And the secondary camera is 2 megapixels and is mostly used for depth. So let's have a look at their normal photo. Groot here is our guest today, as well as Iron Man. So this is just normal camera in normal lighting. You can actually zoom on it and it actually blurs the background very nicely and quite nice. Let's have a look at the selfie. I love the sound it makes when it turns the camera around. Sounds very futuristic. I guess that's the theme they're going for. So let's take a selfie with this phone. 1, 2. Alright, very nice. Very detailed photo and they blurred out the background quite nicely. And let's look at HDR portrait. And it is perfect. I like it. Okay, honestly, this is actually one of my favorite cameras so far. There's nothing that bothers me more than a small notch on the top bothering you, especially if you're gaming or watching videos and there's like a tiny notch there, like why? But this is good. I like this. This is a good concept. But my question is now, how long will it take for this phone to break when you keep doing this and this and this and this and this and this? Seriously, I am a very clumsy person. I might just break this somehow. But you know what? Let me know what you think. How long do you think this phone will last? Do you think this is breakable? And just so you guys know, this smartphone will be out in Malaysia soon. And the best part about it is, it will be priced under 2,500 Malaysian ringgit. Affordable, quite reasonable, nothing too crazy. So what do you guys think of this smartphone? Yay or nay? Let me know in the comments. And if you guys want to check out more really cool unboxings, make sure you stay tuned to TechNave.com. I'll see you soon, guys.